This online lecture for Anatomy and Physiology 1. It is essential for us to understand the chemistry of water. So we will begin by looking at the structure of water. Non-polar covalent bonds that we've seen. Electronegativity increases. So carbons that are purple. Notice that in this diagram, because water between this oxygen and this hydrogen is a hydrogen bond. Between this bonding, water is a good solvent. It's also, so first, if we just look at the solvent ability, this is a picture that shows you how water organizes non-polar.